Welcome to Business with Louis, the show where we break down complex business concepts into actionable insights for entrepreneurs and students alike. Today, we're going to explore one of the most powerful tools in finance, compound interest. Compound interest is a fundamental concept that can help you build wealth, scale your business, and achieve long-term financial success. So, what exactly is compound interest? In straightforward terms, compound interest is the process of earning interest on both the principal amount and any accrued interest over time. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering speed and size as it goes. To understand why compound interest is so important, let's take a brief look at its historical background. The concept of compound interest dates back to ancient civilizations, where merchants and traders used it to calculate the growth of their investments. Over time, economists like Albert Einstein and Benjamin Franklin have praised the power of compound interest, with Einstein even calling it the eighth wonder of the world. The key formula for calculating compound interest is AFPT, where A is the amount of money accumulated after n years, including interest, P is the principal amount, R is the annual interest rate, N is the number of times that interest is compounded per year, and T is the time the money is invested for. Influential thinkers like Warren Buffett have used this formula to build their investment strategies and achieve remarkable success. One notable example of compound interest in action is the story of Benjamin Franklin's bequest to the cities of Boston and Philadelphia. In his will, Franklin left each city a sum of $1,000 with instructions to invest it and use the interest to fund public projects. Thanks to compound interest, these investments grew exponentially over time, with Boston's investment alone reaching over $5 million by the 1990s. Another real-life example is the success story of investor Warren Buffett, who has used compound interest to build his vast fortune. By starting early, being consistent, and taking a long-term approach to investing, Buffett has achieved remarkable returns on his investments, often exceeding 20% per year. So, how can you apply compound interest in your own business or career? Here are some practical tips. Start by setting clear financial goals, whether it's saving for retirement, funding a new venture, or paying off debt. Next, explore different investment options, such as high-yield savings accounts, stocks, or real estate, and choose the ones that best align with your risk tolerance and goals. It's also essential to understand the power of time when it comes to compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. For example, if you invest $1,000 at a 7% annual interest rate compounded monthly, you'll have approximately $1,070 after 1 year. But if you continue to invest that same amount every month for 10 years, your total investment will be around $120,000, with the compound interest adding an additional $60,000 to your portfolio. To maximize the benefits of compound interest, it's crucial to minimize fees and expenses associated with investing. Look for low-cost index funds or ETFs, which can help you save money on management fees and other charges. Additionally, consider tax-advantaged accounts like 401 or IRA, which can help your investments grow even faster. In conclusion, compound interest is a powerful tool that can help you achieve long-term financial success. By understanding how it works and applying its principles effectively, you can build wealth, scale your business, and secure your financial future. Remember, discipline, consistency, and patience are key when it comes to harnessing the power of compound interest. As Warren Buffett once said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." So, start investing today and let the power of compound interest work in your favor. That's it for today's Business with Louis. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, every great business starts with action. Make your next move count.